Hi, Caroline. Hi, happy girl. Oh, you got some hiccups. I just had to get a movie of you being a bouncing baby girl. Hi, Caroline. Hi, happy girl. Hello. Hi, wiggly girl. Hi, beautiful girl. Are you getting ready for bed? Oh, what did you find? Are those your feet? Can you tell me a story? Are you telling me a story? Are you telling me a story? What did you do today? Oh. Oh. Oh, did you have some yummy fingers? Where's your nose going? Where's your finger going, I mean? Hi. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. I love you. I love you.